In this video you will learn how to maintain material files in 3Shape Dental System. In order to keep your PCs and 3Shape Dental System functioning as well as possible, we recommend that you regularly maintain your materials. The material file is read every time Dental Manager is started up, or when an order form is opened, and the bigger the material file, the longer this will take. Also, generating the CAM output will take longer when working with big material files. To be able to see what the exact number of material files in the dental system is, you can check it in the Materials and Implant System menus. When you open the Materials menu in the lower left side of the screen, you'll see the actual item number. This shows how many of the material files are currently installed in your computer. The same goes for the implant systems. Being in the Implant System menu, in the lower left side of the screen, you will have the current item number for all your implant systems installed in your computer. There might be implant kits installed by default from your implant provider, which you are not using. Bearing that in mind, trimming unnecessary materials can help to improve the system performance. To create a backup of the material files which you have in your dental system, use the Export option. In the Tools, under Import-Export, choose Export Materials. Check the box, Export Materials, and provide the name for the file. If you consider using this backup for the PCs in your lab which have an older version of Dental System installed, then choose the lowest one that is visible in the Dental System version option. By doing this, you will ensure that the exported materials are compatible with all installed Dental System versions in the lab. After that, click Export to File. Provide the path where to save the exported file. The export of material files can take a few hours, depending on the size of the material files, so we would recommend doing it after finishing your work or overnight. It is also important not to switch off the computer while exporting the files, even if it looks like the system is not responding. In cases where you have some encrypted options on your dongle, you might get this message. Don't worry. Please press the OK button without selecting anything. Dental Manager will ask you to confirm the exporting of an unprotected library. Also press OK. Your material providers will have already encrypted the necessary files. When the exporting is done, you can save the changes by closing the control panel. Because the size of the material file also has an influence on the performance of 3Shape Dental System, trim all the materials you don't use by deleting them from the control panel. To trim your material files, first go to Materials. Choose the materials that you would like to delete and click the Delete button. A warning message may pop up. Choose Yes to confirm the procedure. Go back to the home page and do the same for the implant libraries. In the Implant System menu, choose the system which you want to delete and click the Delete button. Remember to save all the changes and make sure the Empty Recycle Bin box is checked before pressing Yes, so that all deleted files will also be removed from the bin. To restore the material files which you have deleted, simply use the Import option. Go to Import-Export in the Tools menu. Click on Import Materials. In the Import and Update Materials window, uncheck the Available Materials box. Choose the material that you would like to import. Choose the indications and manufacturing processes which correspond to those materials. Click Import. At the end, save all the changes. To check the import of materials, go to the Home page, and in the Basic Elements, select Materials to search for the imported files. Please keep in mind that those procedures should be done for each standalone DentalSystem version. Now you have learned how to maintain material files in DentalSystem. We hope this was helpful, and thank you for watching.